Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on tessellations. A tessellation occurs when we have a plane shape which is completely covered by smaller interlocking shapes. The smaller shapes fit together neatly and there are no gaps. Some people say that the smaller shapes must be identical. The smaller shapes may or may not be identical, as we can see by the following pictures. The three shapes to the left show examples where the smaller shapes are identical. The above tessellated shape is a perfect example showing how the smaller shapes are identical in shape and size. Smaller shapes are not identical. If you focus on the smaller pieces which are coloured differently, you can see that the shapes are not identical. The above picture shows an excellent example of a tessellation where the smaller shapes are not identical. Tessellations in real life. One of the wonders of nature is the picture of the honeycomb above. It shows a great example of tessellations in nature where each of the small shapes is a hexagon. This is an excellent example of a tessellation. The tabletop is very attractively designed with a very creative pattern.